And now, as I dig into the case study, I just want to make a note that, one of the major advantages of the Asset Performance Suite is these applications are built and designed on a common data model. So if you think about applications like predictive maintenance, optimization applications, energy management, these are all going to have several common data sources. So this specific upstream oil and gas customer decided to take advantage of the scalability of the C3.ai Asset Performance Suite by deploying both the reliability and process optimization applications in tandem. And so these two applications go hand in hand because the need to understand and respond to asset risk is critical as you continuously optimize the asset and you push your production rates. So this customer came to C3 looking for a solution to help overcome historical production constraints, all at the same time while maintaining existing safeguards for their equipment. The combined solution of process optimization and predictive maintenance ultimately results in a 2 to 4% increase in production volume per day through optimal set point recommendations on things like the medium pressure separators and gas turbine trains, all while having a blanket of surveillance across the in-scope equipment using C3.ai reliability to provide early warning of potential risks on the asset. This was a co-deployment of reliability and process optimization. And within this time, we integrated over 3 years of data across 28 individual pieces of equipment and developed over 30 machine learning models to support the optimization and the reliability machine learning models. After 16 weeks, the customer had a full production application with live data streaming, and then we chose to expand the use cases beyond that. And so by deploying the applications together, this customer was able to accelerate time to value by leveraging those similar data sources that I had mentioned earlier. And the annual expected value based on the results that were proven in this is a 12 to 35% reduction in maintenance span. This is driven by the reliability application, and then a 2 to 4% increase in production due to the asset optimization provided by process optimization.